Namaste student. Today I will discuss about insecticide poisoning and antidotes. Then first is symptoms of mild poisoning. Headache. First is headache, a feeling of sickness, dizziness, fatigue, irritation of skin, eyes, nose and throat, perseveration, loss of appetite. And then symptoms of moderate poisoning: vomiting, blurred vision, stomach cramps, rapid pulse, difficulty in breathing, constricted uh, pupils of the eyes. Then excessive precipitation. Then symptoms of cerebral poison: uh, convulsions, respiratory failure, loss of consciousness, loss of pulse. Then symptom of chlorinated hydrocarbon poisoning: uneasiness, headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, uh, convulsion, respiratory arrest following by coma. Then symptoms due to organophosphate and carbamate insecticide poisoning. This is group of insecticide organophosphate and carbamate. Then headache, giddiness, vertigo, weakness, excessive mucous discharge from the nose. Then nausea, loss of muscles, coordination. uh, Death may occur due to depressions of respiratory centers, headache, giddiness, vertigo, weakness, excessive mucous discharge from the nose. Then zinc phosphate, another group of insecticide, zinc phosphate. The symptoms of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, then several abdominal pain, following by symptoms free period of 8 hours or longer. Then aluminum phosphate, then same symptoms: headache, giddiness, nausea, diarrhea and mental confusion. Then first aid operation: many accidental pesticide death are caused by eating or drinking the chemicals. Some application die or are injured when they breathe pesticide vapors or get pesticide on their skin. Repeated exposure to small amount of some pesticide can cause sudden severe illness. All pesticide handle should know be thorough. Understand first aid treatment for pesticide poisoning. Then first is remove patient to fresh air. Then second is loosen all knots of cloth and change overalls. And third is flush eyes with copious cold water till irritation substance. Then wash the patient thoroughly with plenty of soap and water. Then keep the patient calm, uh, comfortable and warm. In case of accidental ingestion, induce vomiting by administering a glass of warm water mixed with 2 spoons of common salt, or putting the forefinger at the base of plate. So level leaflet of pesticide for identification. And if breathing is stopped, providing artificial breathing. Then slowed poison. Remove poison from the patient stomach immediately by including vomiting. Give common salt 50 gram in a glass of warm water as anemetic and repeated until vomiting fluids is clear. Gently stroking or touching the throat with the finger or the blunt End of a spoon with aid is including vomiting when the stomach is full food. Then inhaled poison. Carry the patient to fresh air immediately. Open all doors and windows. Loosen all tight clothing. Apply artificial respiration if breathing has stopped or or is irregular, and avoid vigorous application of pressure to the chest. Then prevent chilling and wrapping the patient in a blanket. Uh, Keep the patient as quick as possible. If the patient is convincing, keep him in bed in some dark room. Do not give alcohol in any form. Then skin concentration contamination. Skin contamination drains the skin with water. Apply a stream of water to on the silk while removing clothing. Rapid washing is most important for reducing the extent of injury. Then contamination. Hold eyelids open. Wash the eye gently with a stream of running water immediately. Delay of even a few seconds greatly increase the extent of injury. Then fourth is eye contamination. Continue washing until physician reaches. Then do not use chemical as the increase in the extent of injury. Then antidotes. General antidotes remove poison by including vomiting. Universal antidote, it is a mix of 7 gram of activated charcoal, 3.5 gram of magnesium oxide, and 3.5 gram of tannic acid in half a glass of warm water. May be used to absorb or neutralize poison, except in case of poison by corrosive substance. It should be followed by gastric larva. Then removal of stomach contents, demusculants. After removal of stomach content as completely as possible, give one of the following: raw egg white mixed with water, and gelatin 9 gram to 18 gram dissolved in 570 ml of warm water, butter, cream, milk, or mashed potato. Then specific antidotes. Atropine is a usually antidote or organophosphate and carbamate poisoning. It can be given orally, and in several cases injection are given. Repeated injection may be required. 2 pm. It is injected intravenously as an antidote in organophosphate poisoning. It should not be used in case of carbamate poisoning. Then calcium gluconate is recommended as an antidote for some organochlorine insecticide. Then vitamin K is a preferred antidote of anticoagulant poisoning such as warfarin. Thank you.